today we're gonna see the sound challenge, and we have different objects like something like a fart noise, like a scratchy noise, anything, and we gotta say not really loud, but this loud.
Because I told her to say it very nice and loud so you guys can hear. So I'm gonna be listening them up so they don't know.
Sorry, I'm just watching Jeffrey.
That was Brandon.
Yeah, Jeffrey.
Okay. I'm gonna mix them up. She has no idea. What do you think that is? What's the name?
Oh, that's you screaming.
Yeah, I have very high pitch. Next one. Correct.
That's you doing
Real good.
Ooh.
No.
And what is it? It's a bird like saying hoo hoo.
No, it's me being surprised, like acting like I'm surprised.
I know you're knocking the door.
Yes.
You're clapping your hands.
Kind of. I'm doing this. Okay, Brandon was just telling me something. You guys heard it? Sorry, guys. What is that?
You screaming and when you're knocking the door.
Yeah. Well, sorry, guys. She has 3 points so far. No, sorry, guys. What's that? What's that? Masuka, what's that? Masuka!
What?
What's that?
What? That's you snoring.
Yes, I wasn't actually someone. I was acting with this one. What is that?
That's you doing this.
Yes. She got 5 points. Okay.
That's you doing the bark. That's you fart. That's you farting. That's you farting your mouth.
No. It's me with slime. If you guys could check out my slime video or my
video.
my Justice Hall on YouTube, which I have on YouTube right now, and I think those are all of the sounds, guys. So I help you, Masuka. Well, Masuka's gone. Hey, puppies. Okay, I got.
Because you always do.
Okay, whatever. Bye, guys.
Comment and subscribe and hit the like button and subscribe
And smash that like button to see our next video.
And subscribe to be part of the Cousin Squad. Because we started this new Cousin Squad. If you guys want to join, subscribe. Like the
And celebrate
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Thanksgiving is coming up.
And have a good Thanksgiving, guys.
and even celebrate these. We are good now. So you can
He
celebrate.
made this at school. Whatever.